Nirmala Kenyam Bia Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel Raja Banling Guasame Tahadan Yar Kamal Kajere which Kasol Sudan take Rosh Mishakulat Guasame Manana Tuɔɔk Western Equatoria Kan Manana Tuɔɔk Greater Penal State Waken Chetka Jandana Banling Rajadana Chagor Katadan and Nyon Mal Kajere which Kasol Sudan Gor Konanode Korwanit and Kon Lat Korod and de Konkeli Kokan Dialan Chet Tin Lat Korean Tema Shetkan Tin Tuɔɔk Re which ka Nasser kanatin kon en tuɔɔk tambura wa chetka ban taadana chay kullat ke jabana jelin ka jalera me reiler kaname ban manana chalat nitin kontin te ka Western Equatoria ban jelin ko ban metot manan le roda we ka Great Apana State ka Nasser ban jelin be kon gamen gwit ka do badan en tuɔɔk na mekaja rektin kon en tuɔɔk tamere we ka South Sudan a kam SPLM ayo kana South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF kam Dr. Young Machar kana kirma yadit men kula to gwasame men bukono kula linka Western Equatoria ado badana sha dur dangro cha ka koskaje bukora jalana cha lat ban jelinkel gorno jin bijen yak nas ko ken ka chuje peru jino jin bi subscribe ka Nuer online TV channel ka jen larame ban jelinka thoknath kenyam ko kora ban jen yok mu kono linka tok English gorno bi chonkel katin konde lat ka gwasame Karojan chala do nene man tuɔɔkre which ka Western Equatoria State ka South Sudan share kana man tuɔɔkre which ka Great Apana State ka Nasser kariktin tuɔɔk ntama karikti bombom riktin tuɔɔk ka tambura jen waja dan en te ka Western Equatoria ke man waka Western Bargazal jen chala do man tuɔɔk tong mi nyin do dangro doren kontin nyin wa dor kel chunga kel ke kinma yadit ka doren do dien chunga kel ka IO and door and chunkel ke kirma yadit nakan door and chunkel ke SPLM ayo wajin advantage dan and use kan belanda nikan ke kana zande ne kaneten kontin te korki ten te keter kam niken teka gat azande titere kor kitere kuma ka kirma yadit ka SSPDF kanete kontin la dwel ke na kanete kontin la belanda ne nakan kare which ka Western Equatoria State ka do brana chala kje kuma kirma yadit use neten kontin la dur ko mitiega la dur tegen ka jamo be je gorno yen be yeko tirmana le rode ka Great Apana State kam Nueri kana murleni ko la kan murleni la kan ga jako bikan kor kan otok yo birek bo otok bi na bi ko luten kormo anyok la de jaga shirke de tan me cha jagre wikmal ka Nasr no de ka wunyen kan kon la hali ala gole force kana bishok wana bo kusne to togan diala wa karik tilat ken tama kan bondangro en gwada mo melel ke lunga en gwada te ayutino la ja gurga no baje moy kan de bikan business ko bikatre kori jara jume chaje kwene nono kam bonten kontin nyen re which ka South Sudan chala do kum South Sudan te ketin diten mu gor jen odare je pel kirin kon lat ko rodien chede gwa ko de ko won yamten rikin kon lat ko rodien tama ka tin kontin da ka South Sudan ka cha gwa na mo ban madana chalat ramadan an chi roje me chi jalat ka shang badda ko pay diok ron kin dangro jen dangro de ch bana jeling would me chala Dr. Festo South Sudanese are wondering what is happening in Western Equatoria. The media, as in Apenal, is awash with contrasting stories from the state. One recurring narrative is the chronic issue of intercommunal violence in Tambura. Others include recent clash along the Tambura-Wau Road and in Rirangu, as well as the removal of the SPLM Governor General Alfred Futuyo, followed by his disappearance alongside many of his SPLM colleagues in the state government. Image of the public jubilation and celebration following Futuyo dismissal have also surfaced, alongside report looting and gunfire at his residence. Adding to the confusion, a group of calling itself Balende Community of Western Equatoria released a press statement on February 26, 2025, claiming that the clash in the state were orchestrated by a Zande militia led by Brigadier General James Nando. As reported, one member of the group, Honorable Pascal Badindi, an MP representing Great Tambura in the revitalized peace agreement, alleged that the Balanda tribe in Tambura were the victim of politically motivated human rights abuses perpetrated by the Zande tribe. However, recent statements by senior figures across the political spectrum contradict the claim made by the Balende. SSPDF official spokesman Gerald Luray Kong in the February 26, 2025 interview reported that The clash on the Tambura-Wau road were conducted under army directives and involved engagement with the element resisting the removal of checkpoint along this vital road link. Similarly, the first Vice President of the Republic and Chairman Commander-in-Chief of SPLM, Dr. Riɛk Machar, in a letter dated February 27, 2025, addressed to the President Salva Kiir, attributed the clash in Western Equatoria to the SSPDF regional force contingent for the DR Congo. Meanwhile, the Minister of Information, Communication Technology and Postal Service and official government spokesperson General Michael Makui, in a televised broadcast on February 28, informed the nation that Futuyo was removed from the office by President Salva Kiir Mayardit for intransigence and because Riɛk Machar had failed to remove the governor despite his evident incompetence. Makui also disclosed that the former governor home was looted by a mob comprising citizens from various tribes, including SPLM supporters themselves. No government official from across the political divide has attributed responsibility for the event in the Western Equatoria to members of the Azande community. This alone underscores the baseless nature of the Belende SPLM accusation against the Azande. However, since the Belende have previously voiced a similar allegation against the Azande, it is time for South Sudanese to be provided with a full explanation of what is truly happening in Western Equatoria. The underlying issue is that the Belende SPLM seek to annex Greater Tambura, comprising Nagro, Tambura, and Ezo counties, to part of Western Barghazal and declare it a state exclusively for their tribe. It is worth recalling that the Belende began agitating for such an administrative area as far as back as 1974.